Just 45 kilometres on the Southwest Highway up from Armidale is this beautiful dam. This is the North Dandalup Dam. It's constructed in 1994 with a capacity of 75 billion litres. The catchment area is 153 square kilometres, which is just massive. Unbeknown to me, when I drove over the bridge to exit after I'd finished doing a lot of footage, most of which got thrown away, but after that there is actually an opposing side to this dam. It's exactly the same on the other side, so I didn't take any footage of that because it's pretty much the same, but it's really big. On the other side of the dam, down below where all the greenery is, opposite to where you're looking now, is like a picnic area, and they've got a great little bushwalk there which you may want to take kids on, and yeah, it looks really good. Anyway, enjoy the footage. Before we get too many comments, the drone is actually on follow me mode now. I'm not flying it, I'm actually driving the car. The drone is flying itself off. On Vamped Van Chronicles, you'll see how it went from this to what it is today.